Ginger. Recommended amount 1 to 2 teaspoons. Fresh ginger, 5 to 10 grams, or 1 cup ginger tea daily. How to eat. Add 2. Recommended amount 1/2 to 1 cup cooked, 40 to 50 grams dry oats. How to eat. Eat for breakfast with banana or apple. Banana. Recommended amount 1 medium banana per day. How to eat. Eat fresh as a snack or with oatmeal. Plain yogurt. Recommended amount 3/4 to 1 cup, 170 to 245 grams per day. How to eat. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt with live cultures. White rice. Recommended amount 1/2 to 1 cup cooked, 100 to 200 grams. How to eat. Eat plain or with boiled chicken. Apple. Recommended amount 1 medium apple per day. How to eat. Eat fresh or cooked if your stomach is sensitive. Boiled potato. Recommended amount 1 medium potato, 150 to 200 grams. How to eat. Boiled or baked without excessive butter or spices. Peppermint tea. Find your recommended amount 1 to 2 cups per day. How to drink. Drink warm after meals if it suits you. People with acid reflux/GERD may find peppermint worsens symptoms. Water. Recommended amount 8 to 10 cups, 2 to 2.5 liters per day. How to drink. Drink small amounts regularly throughout the day.